विनायक नमस्तुभ्यं सततं मोदकप्रिय निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं रामनाम वरानने। आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। श्रीराघवं दशरथात्मजमप्रमेयं सीतापतिं रघुकुलान्वयरत्नदीपम् आजानुबाहुमरविन्ददलायताक्षं रामं निशाचरविनाशकरं नमामि। श्रीरघुराम चारुतुलसीदलधाम शमक्षमादिशृङ्गारगुणाभिराम त्रिजगन्नुतशौर्यरमाललाम दुर्वारुकबन्धराक्षसविराम जगज्जनकल्मषार्णवोत्तारकनाम भद्रगिरिदाशरथी करुणापयोनिधि। आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम्। बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। सर्वेभ्यः सुप्रभातम्।
प्रभातम्।
अद्यतन पंचांगं प्लवनाम संवत्सरे उत्तरायणे ग्रीष्मर्तौ ज्येष्ठमासे कृष्णपक्षे द्वितीया तिथिः till 8:41 AM followed by तृतीया। स्थिरवासरः उत्तराषाढा नक्षत्रं till 5:06 AM followed by श्रवणम्। इंद्र योगः till 9:49 followed by वैधृतिः। करणं गरकरणं till 8:41 followed by Vanik till 7:28 followed by Vishti till 6 AM tomorrow morning followed by Bava. 4 karanams are there before tomorrow's sunrise. So last time we wanted to end it at a positive note. So after killing Tataka, then God started praising, showering flowers and all. So that's where we stopped. There Indra was first. Indra praised. Then we'll continue from there. उवाच परमप्रीतः सहस्राक्षः उवाच परमप्रीतः सहस्राक्षः पुरन्दरः सुराश्च सर्वे संहृष्टाः सुराः gods सुराश्च सर्वे संहृष्टाः विश्वामित्रमथा ब्रुवन्। So after Surapati, Sahasraksha Purandarah Paramapritaha. Sahasraksha we said Indra with 1,000 eyes. Purandarah is another name of him. Paramapritaha, very pleased. Uvacha, he said that. And Surascha Sarve, all gods also. Samhrishtaha, very heartily. Vishwamitram, unto Vishwamitra. Atha, then Abruvan. Then they said, what did they say? Mune Kaushika Bhadram te
मुने कौशिकभद्रं ते
तेन्द्राः सर्वे मरुद्गणाः
तेन्द्राः सर्वे मरुद्गणाः
तोषिताः कर्मणानेन
तोषिताः कर्मणानेन
स्नेहं दर्शय राघवे.
स्नेहं दर्शय राघवे.
So all of them, Indra and all gods, have said this to Vishwamitra. Kaushika Muni, Vishwamitra, son of Kaushika, Bhadramte, first, Bhadramte. You remember we said hereafter we'll keep hearing Bhadramte, Bhadramte. So Bhadramte, safety unto you. Sendraha, Sa Indraha, means along with Indra. All Sarve Marudganaha, all gods, including Marudganaha. Tendraha Sarve Marudganaha, all of them. Toshitaha, Santoshaha. Obtained Santoshaha is Toshitaha. Sarve Toshitaha. By what? Karmana Anena. Anena Karmana. By this karma, by this task of killing, Tataka. So, Anena Karmana, Sarve Marudganaha, Sendraha, Toshitaha. So, all of them are happy. So, now we want you to do this. What is it? Raghave Sneham Darshaya. Darshaya, Darshanam Karotu. That means express. Please express Sneham. Sneham means prema. Express affection to Raghava. Go, kiss him, go hug him, and bless him, because he has done such a first great task of killing Tataka, because we are all pleased. So please go and express that love and affection to Raghava. Raghave Sneham Darshaya. Prajapate Krishasvasya.
Prajapate Krishasvasya.
Putran Satyaparakraman.
Putran Satyaparakraman.
Tapobala Bhruto Brahman.
Tapobala Bhuto Brahman.
Raghavaya Nivedaya.
Raghavaya Nivedaya.
So he's also saying, Prajapatehe Krishasvasya. You remember Prajapati Krishasva story was there when Vishwamitra was telling how he obtained those Shakti, all the astras he obtained of, starting with Krishasvasya. He had two wives, and each one of them had 50 and 50 children. You remember all of that? As children, as we said, her inventions. So if we want to take physically or materialistically, it is her inventions. But if you want to take the literally and spiritually, it is her children. So Krishasvasya, Prajapatehe Krishasvasya Satyaparakraman Putran Tapobala Bhrataha Brahman Raghavaya Nivedaya. Go and offer all those Krishasvasya children, offer all of them unto Rama. Because Rama passed your first assignment. Now he is eligible to obtain all those, call it astras or putraha of Krishasva Prajapati. So go and offer them to Raghava. So gods are instructing Vishwamitra what all to do. Patra bhutaschate Brahman.
Patra bhutaschate Brahman.
Tavanugamane dhritaha.
Tavanugamane dhritaha.
Kartavyam cha mahat karyam.
Kartavyam cha mahat karyam.
Suranam rajasununa.
Suranam rajasununa.
So Patra bhutaha, eligible, essentially. Patra bhutaha, patratvam is eligibility. Patra bhutaha, one who is eligible. So Patra bhutaha te Brahman. Hey Brahman, he's addressing Vishwamitra as Brahman. You are Brahman. Hey Brahman, te patra bhutaha. He is eligible for you. He is eligible. He is what do you call? Eligible is also an ordinary word. He is what do we say?
Entitled. Entitled.
Yeah. Entitled.
Deserve.
Probably entitled.
Deserving.
Deserves. He deserves. He is deserved. Correct. He deserves. He deserves all these. He deserves all these Krishasasya Putran Sarvan. So Brahman, Tava Anugamane Dhritaha. Why he is Patra Bhutaha? The gods are also justifying it. Because Tava Anugamane, in following you, Dhritaha is firm. He is firm in following you. He will follow your instructions. He has followed your instructions in spite of the basic dharma that he has, Samanya dharma that he has studied and expressed, that one should not kill a woman, whoever he might be, a female entity. But by following you, he has even, surpassed, broken that, violated that. So he deserves your blessings, your best. So kartavyam cha mahatkaryam. Why? There is another reason why you have to give all this. Because Rajasununa, by princess, by king's sons, Rajasunu is heirs of princely kings. So by son of a king, Rajasununa, Suranam mahatkaryam cha kartavyam. Because one of the main tasks of prince is to perform the great tasks of gods. Suranam cha mahatkaryam kartavyam. Right? Because it is one of the responsibility to perform the great services and tasks of gods. And because he is a good follower of you, he is eligible and he deserves your blessings and he deserves all the offerings that you can give him. Eva muktva suras sarve.
Eva muktva suras sarve.
Jagmur hrushta yathagamat.
Jagmur hrushta yadhagatam.
Yathagatam kshamatam. Yathagatam Vishwamitram Puraskritya Tatasandhya Pravartate. So Eva Muktva, by saying these instructions to Vishwamitra, one is, they are very happy by the task that you got done by Sri Rama. So first thing is express Sneham Darshaya Raghave. Then offer everything that you have got from Krishna's Prajapati, all his Satyaparakrama children, from his 2 wives, 50 and 50, all the 100 ones that you have obtained. Please offer them. Nivedaya, Nivedanam Kuru. That means submit them, offer them unto Raghava. Why? Because he deserves. Why does he deserve? One, because he follows you without a question, or without suspecting it, or without any questions asked. He follows you. And also it is his responsibility as a prince to take care of godly tasks, or to take care of services of gods, to take care of tasks of gods. So you have to offer all of this to him. Eva muktva suraha sarve jagmuhu. Jagmuhu, they left. Gatavantaha. Agachan. Bahuvachanam. Jagmuhu, litlakara. Krishtaha, very happily. Yatha agatam. Just as they have come, now very happily, they left back. And Vishwamitram Puraskritya, by standing in front of Vishwamitra or facing him, they all have left. Vishwamitram Puraskritya. Then Tataha, after that, Sandhya Pravartate. And again, evening Sandhya Pravartate. Tato Munivara Pritaha.
Tato Munivara Pritaha.
Tatakavadhatoshitaha.
Tatakavadhatoshitaha.
Murdhni Ramam Upagraya.
Murti Ramam Upagraya.
Idam Vachanam Abravit.
Idam Vachanam Abravit.
So this is the second time. So I said, right, some cultural gestures and expressions that we learn. One is Bhadramte. The second one is anytime you see a child with Vatsalya, we kiss the Murdhni, the crown of the head. Because that is where one is, of course, our Sahasrara Chakra is there. And that is the most delicate part. So we give our blessings there by, by kissing or by even Jighranam. Jighranam is by smelling. Not smelling, not only smelling, it is by inhaling from there. So Murdhni Ramam Upagraya. Upagraya means near there. I saw smelling there. Upagraya. Munivaraha, best of the munis. Tataka Vadhatoshitaha, having obtained Santosha, Tosha, by Tataka Vadha. Pritaha, and also very pleased. Murdhni, Ramam Murdhni Upagraya, by inhaling blissfully or with a blessing at the crown of Rama's head. Idam Vachanam Abravit. He said the following statement. So see, as gods instruct, exactly they perform. And we see this sequence in all of our literatures, any literature. As the sequence of the questions asked, in the same order, they answer and they perform. So what did God say first? Raghave Sneham Darshaya. That was the first thing they said. So he is now offering Sneha by Ramam Murdhni Upagraya. Then what did they say next? Prajapatehe Krishasvasya Putran Satyaparakraman Raghavaya Nivedaya. That is the next instruction. So let us see what is he going to do for that. Ihadya Rajanim Rama.
Ihadya Rajanim Rama.
Vasama Shubhadarshana.
Vasama Shubhadarshana.
Svah Prabhate Gamishyamaha.
Svah Prabhate Gamishyamaha.
Tada Shramapadam Mama.
Tada Shramapadam Mama.
So he is saying now, it is anyway Sandhya Pravartate, so he cannot do more tasks. We have to do Sandhyavanam. So, Rama, Ih Adya Rajanim Iha Vasama. Let us stay this night. Rajani is night, we said, right? Last time also Rajani, that word came. So, Rajanim Iha, now, this night, let us spend here only. Let us stay here only. Shubhadarshana. Oh, pleasantly looking. Rama. Shvah Prabhate. Tomorrow morning. Gamishyamaha. Let us go. Tada. Then. Ashrama Padam Mama. Tomorrow morning let us proceed to my ashrama directly. Mama Ashrama Padam. Shvah Prabhate Gamishyamaha. But tonight, Adya tu iha Rajanim. What happened? Did I press? Oh boy, something happened.
I will make you.
Probably it went back to the. No, it got reloaded or something. Give me a minute. So tonight, Adya iha Rajanim Vasama Rama Shubhadarshana Shvah Prabhate Mama ashramadam tada gamishyamah. That is what said. And Sandhya pravartate, so let us see what they do. Oh, correct, right, sorry. Next, okay. Vishwamitra shrutva
विश्वामित्रवच श्रुत्वा
पृष्टो दशरथात्मजः
हृष्टो दशरथात्मजः
उवास रजनीं तत्र
उवास रजनीं तत्र
ताटकाया वने सुखम्.
ताटकाया वने सुखम्.
So Dasharathatmajah Rama Krishtah happily Vishwamitra Vachah Shrutva, by listening to Vishwamitra's instruction that let's spend here tonight. Uvasa Rajanim Tatra, he stayed that night there, where Tatakaya Havane, in the Vanam of Tataka, Sukham, happily they stayed that night there. Mukta Shapam Vanam Tacha.
Mukta Shapam Tacha.
Tasminneva Tadahani.
Tasminneva Tadahani.
Ramaniyam Vibabhraja.
Ramaniyam Vibabhraja.
Yatha Chaitra Ratham Vanam.
Yatha Chaitra Ratham Vanam.
So when they said Sukham, why is it Sukham? How is it Sukham? Is being explained in this shloka. Mukta Shapam Vanam Tatcha. That Tataka Vanam, which was otherwise very good Vanam before, because of Tataka, Maricha, and because of their living there, dwelling there, and killing people, uncleanly leaving the skeletons there, because of all of that, it became dirty Vanam, right? And a very, not only dirty, a horrible Vanam. Now, by killing her, it got released of the Shapa. Mukta Shapa, released from the Shapam, is Mukta Shapam. That Vanam became Mukta Shapam Vanam. Tacha. Tasminneva Ahani Tada. That in that day, that moment, let us say, that instantaneously, in that day itself, that Vanam became Mukta Shapa. It got released of the Shapa. Now, so how is it now looking? Ramaniyam Vibabhraja. Bhraja is glow. Bhraja is glow. Vibabhraja, litlakara. It glowed with Ramaniya. It glowed very, Ramaniyam is, it glowed pleasantly, is an ordinary word. But if can there be a better word? Romantically or beautifully. Ramaniyam Vibabhraja. How, what is the simile given here? Yatha Chaitra Ratham Vanam. In the Swargalokam, there is one Vanam called Chaitra Ratham. And from that only we also get the name Chaitra Masa, from where Vasanta starts. With everything green, blossoming, green colored, nice temperatures. That is all what is there always in the Chaitra Ratham Vanam, in the Swargaloka for gods. For us it is only one season, for them it is forever. So just like the Chaitra Ratham Vanam, Yatha Chaitra Ratham Vanam, Tataka Vanam, which is Mukta Shapam, Tasminneva Hani Ramaniyam Vibabhraja. That's the sentence there. Nihatyatam yakshasutam saramah
निहत्यतां यक्षसुतां सरामः
prashasyamana surasiddhasangaihi
प्रशस्यमान सुरसिद्धसङ्गैः
उवास तस्मिन् मुनिना सहैव
उवास तस्मिन् मुनिना सहैव
प्रभातवेलां प्रतिबोध्यमानः.
प्रभातवेलां प्रतिबोध्यमानः.
So last sentence they said, generally Valmiki style is last sentence from Anushtup. Instead of Anushtup, you'll either write in Indra Vajra or Upendra Vajra. There are two almost similar vrittas. So this is Nihatya in Upendra Vajra. This is the Jaganam it starts. Nihat. Upendra Vajra. Kim Mahodaya?
मिश्रा अस्ति वा उपेन्द्र वज्र उपजाति अस्ति इन्द्र वज्र
उपेन्द्र एव अत्र इन्द्र न इन्द्र मध्ये तगणं प्रारम्भे भवति यथा ततः प्रभा न रघुवंशे
जाया प्रतिग्राहितगन्धमाल्यं
तत्र सः श्लोकः कालिदासस्य रघुवंशे अधिकतया इन्द्रवज्रं भवति तत्र तगणं तन्नाम लघु लघु गुरु परन्तु अत्र निहत्य जगणं भवति लघु गुरु लघु यदा प्रारम्भे तगणस्थाने जगणं भवति चेत् उपेन्द्रवज्रं प्रथमगणः तगणं चेत् इन्द्रवज्रं स एव भेदः तो तां यक्षसुतां निहत्य by killing that Yakshasuta Tataka, who later became a Rakshasi, Saha Ramaha Surasiddha Sanghaihi, by gods, Siddhaha, and all other such superhuman species, Gandharvaha, Yakshaha, Devaha, Kinnaraha, by all other non-human species, Prashasyamanaha, Prashamsam Patravan, Prashamsamanaha, one who is being praised. He became praiseworthy, or he is being praised. He is being praised by all the species, gods, yakshas, kinnaras, gandharvas, etc. Why? Because he has killed the Tataka, Yakshasuta Tataka, who was a very ferocious, horrible terrorist. Such Rama, Tasmin Uvasa, that night, Tasmin Vaneti, in that Vana, he has spent Uvasa, he has spent Munina Saha Eva, along with Muni Vishwamitra, and then Prabhata Velam, in the next day in the morning, Prabhata Velam, in the morning time, Pratibodhyamanaha, he woke up again. That is where he is ending this sarga. Ityarshe Srimad Ramayane Valmiki Adikavye Balakande Shadvimshas Sargah. So 26th sarga we completed. Let's move on to 27th. Hopefully we can complete 27th sarga today. Atha saptavimshas sargah. Atatam rajanimushya.
Atatham rajanimushya.
Vishwamitro mahayashah.
Vishwamitro mahayashaha.
Prahasya raghavam vakyam.
Prahasya raghavam vakyam.
Uvacha madhuraksharam.
Uvacha madhuraksharam.
So first one was Raghave Sneham Darshaya. that he did immediately by Murdhni, Ramam Murdhni Upagraya. By doing that, he has done the first one. Second one was Krushaswasya Prajapatehe Satyaprakraman Suputran Raghavaya Nivedaya was the second instruction. So this sarga will be doing the second part. So we will see that. Prahasya, with a nice pleasant smile, Raghavam Vakyam Uvacha. Unto Raghava, he said this Madhuraksharam Vakyam Uvacha. Who? Mahayashaha Vishwamitraha. By doing what? Tam Rajanim Ushya. Ushya means Uvasa, we read before. That means he stayed. Ushya, by staying. That means continuing the past tense into present tense. Having stayed that night there, next day morning, Vishwamitra said this melodious or beautiful statement unto Rama. Paritushto'smi bhadram te.
Paritushto'smi bhadram te.
Rajaputra Mahayashaha.
Rajaputra Mahayashaha.
Pritya Paramaya Shupto.
Pritya Paramaya Shupto.
Dadamyastrani Sarvashaha.
Dadamyastrani Sarvashaha.
And we said, we learned, right? Bhadram te. Bhadram te keeps coming. Bhadram te, Bhadram te. So, Raghava, Bhadram te. Why that suddenly comes? Because anytime you find your beloved one, even if there is a word, a thought, an idea, or a sign, an omen of any inconvenience, as small as an inconvenience to a terror, right? Anything that occurs or that strikes to you, you will immediately say Bhadram te, right? Just as soon as we sneeze in America, they say bless you. We say Chiranjeeva. That similar thing, Bhadram te. Why? Because he's going to Dadami Astrani. I'm going to offer all these astras. And these are, my God, very powerful ammunitions, right? They're like most powerful missiles that are directly obtained from Prajapati Krushaswa onward. And that Vishwamitra also has invented himself. He's going to give so many, a big, huge list of them. This entire sarga, we'll be studying the names of so many astras. In fact, they say if we even chant these names of these astras, they will protect us, just as they are with Rama for protecting good. So, because they are dangerous astras, he immediately, it occurs to him, Bhadram te. So, Bhadram te, Mahayashaha, Rajaputra, Rajaputra, Mahayashaha. Because just in the previous 26th sarga, they said, right? Surasangaihi prashasyamanaha. By Surasiddha Sangaihi. By all of their groups of gods and siddhas, etc., he was already being praised. So he is becoming popular now. So Mahayashaha, oh famous one, oh fame, one of great fame. Pritya Paramaya Pritya Shuktaha. I am with all my very pleased, very well pleased. Sarvashaha Astrani Dadami. I shall give you all the astras that I have brought forward so long. I shall hand them over to you. I don't need them anymore. You shall keep them, utilize them for the right purpose. That is the intention. That is exactly the second statement given, right? Now, you keep this in mind, and as you
Shukto Shuktasya ka artha
Shuktaha ityukte aham Pritaha ityeva. Shuktaha nama Pritaha ityeva. So second instruction was Tattan Sarvan Nivedaya, right? Give all those that you have obtained from Krushaswa Prajapati. So that is the second one, and second step is being done. What I'm trying to say is, hereafter observe any Sanskrit literature that you study, as simple as Satyanarayana Vratam or any other Vratam that you perform. It starts with Muni is asking Saunakadi Munihi, they ask Suta, and they ask him in 3-4 questions. Performed by who? By doing what can this world be relieved? Who have done such a thing? Did anyone get any results? They will ask 3-4 questions like that. And if you read the rest of the chapters, all the shlokas, exactly in that order only Suta will be answering. And this is a standard, beautiful template of our, document template or our transactional template. As the order of the questions, so is the order of the answers. So that means very attentively we listen, and with the same attention we answer. That is our culture. So second step is being now done. Devasura-ganan vapi
Devasura-ganan vapi
sagandharvoraganapi
sagandharvoraganapi
yairamitran prasahyajau
yairamitran prasahyajau
vashikritya jayishyasi
vashikritya jaishyasi
tani divyani bhadramte
tani divyani bhadramte
dadamyastrani sarvashah.
dadamyastrani sarvasaha.
So, yaihi, by which, yaihi, by which Deva Asura-ganan, sa Gandharva Uragan api Amitran Ajau Prasahya Vashikritya Jayishyasi Tani Divyani Sarvashah Astrani Dadami Te Bhadram is the sentence there. That means by which ammunition you shall be able to keep everyone in restraint. All gods, Asuraha, Gandharvaha, Uragaha, and any other Amitraha. Amitraha,
Shatru.
non-mitras.
Non-mitra.
Shatru. Non-mitra, which are Shatrus. So, with these ammunitions, with these astras, you are going to control and restrain all foes, whether they are gods, devils, whether they are Gandharvaha, Uragaha, any species, you shall keep everyone in control. And Ajau, in the war, Jayishyasi, you shall win. Such astrani, tani divyani astrani, such divine, great astras, sarvasha, by all means, te dadami, I shall give to you, bhadram te. Because again, astras, immediately bhadram te, that comes in his heart, in his mind. So, tani dadami te. So here onwards, and the names start one by one. We'll be giving. Everyone say these names, slokas, repeat these slokas, and so say the names. Dandachakram Mahadivyam.
Dandachakram Mahadivyam.
Mahadivyam.
Dandachakram
Mahadivyam. Tava dasyami Raghava.
Tava dasyami Raghava.
Dharmachakram Tato Veera.
Dharmachakram Tato Veera.
Kalachakram Tathaiva cha.
Kalachakram Tathaiva cha.
Vishnuchakram Tathatyugram.
Vishnuchakram Tathatyugram.
Aindramastram Tathaiva cha.
Aindramastram Tathaiva cha.
Vajramastram Narasreshta.
Vajramastram Narasreshta.
शैवं शूलवरं तथा
शैवं शूलवरं तथा
अस्त्रं ब्रह्मशिरश्चैव
अस्त्रं ब्रह्मशिरश्चैव
ऐशीकमपि राघव
ऐशीकमपि राघव
ददामि ते महाबाहो
ददामि ते महाबाहो
ब्रह्ममस्त्रम् अनुत्तमम्.
ब्रह्ममस्त्रम् अनुत्तमम्.
He is now starting giving one by one the names of them. He is telling. So first one is Danda Chakram. So there are several chakras, wheels that Vishwamitra is offering to Rama. First one is Danda Chakram. It is Mahat Divyam Danda Chakram. Tavadasyami Raghava. I shall give it to you, Rama. And the second one is Dharma Chakram. Tato Gira. Tataha. After that, I shall give you Dharma Chakram. Kala Chakram Tathaivacha. The third one is Kala Chakram. Meena, count. So how many astras he is giving? Count them. We'll form a table of all the astras offered by Vishwamitra to Rama and categorized by chakras, gada, etc., etc. So these are first set is chakras he is offering. So Dharma Chakram, Tatha, Kala Chakram, Tathaivacha. Then fourth one is Vishnu Chakram, Tatha Atyugram. Atyugram, very intense or very powerful, very fierceful, powerful. Aindram Astram, Aindram of Indra. Of Indra, the Astra. What is it? Vajram. So the fifth one is, fourth one is Kala Chakram, Danda Chakram, Dharma Chakram, Kala Chakram, Vishnu Chakram. So four chakras. Then Indra's Astra, which is Vajram, Narasreshta. Then Shaivam Shulavaram Tatha. Shiva's Shulam also. Shulam also. That is Shulam. That also I shall give you. And Astram Brahmashiraschaiva. There is one another Astram called Brahmashiraha, head of Brahma, meaning the best of the Brahma's Astra, called Brahmashiraschaiva, Aishikamapi, Aishikam. So this Brahmashira is a issue. Issue is an arrow. So one that can be launched through an arrow is called Aishikam. So this Aishikam Brahmashiraha cha dadamite Mahabaho Brahmastram, Brahmam Astram, which is Brahmastram. So Brahmastram cha Anuttamam, the ultimate Brahmastram also I shall give you. How many so far, Lina?
I think it was either 7 or 8.
So how many chakras?
4 chakras.
4 chakras. Danda Chakram, Dharma Chakram, Kala Chakram, Vishnu Chakram. Then Indra's Astram, which is Vajram, 5. Then Shiva's Astram, which is Shula. Then Brahma's 2 of them, which is Brahmashiraha and Brahmastram. So how many?
8.
4 chakras, Indra's Vajram, Shiva's Shulam, 6, and Brahma's 2, Brahmashiraha and Brahmastram. 8 so far. And it continues. Now, Gade Dve Chaiva Kakutsa.
Gade Dve Chaiva Kakutsta.
Modaki Shikhari Ube.
Modaki Shikhari Ubhe.
Pradipte Narashardula.
Pradipte Narashardula.
Prayachami Nrupatmaja.
Prayachami Nrupatmaja.
So I'm going to give you 2 gadas. Gada is Gada, we know, right? That mace. I'm going to give you Kakutsa, 2 gadas. What are their names? Modaki, Shikhari. Those are the 2 names. So 8 plus 2 gadas is giving, 10 of them so far. Modaki, Shikhari, Ube, and they are Pradipte. They have sort of light on it, or a fire coming out of it from the top. So when you throw the gada, it will go with the fire on it, in it. So pradipte, with light, with fire in it. So pradipte narashardula prayachami nrupatmaja. So 10 are given so far. Then now he is giving pashas. Pashas are threads or ropes, or yeah, I mean, physically it will seem like rope, but that is also another astram by which you can bind several people into, at a material level, you can bind them as a rope. But at the biological level, most of these astras, the pashas, they will be working on our nervous systems. So when one of these pashas are applied, somebody can become paralyzed because nerves control is lost. So nervous system based astra pashas. So let us read some of the names. Dharma pasha maham Rama.
Tara go grane Arjunam.
Kala pasham tathaivacha.
कालपाशं
Pasham
तथैव च
varunamastram cha.
पाशं
Pasham
वारुणमस्त्रं च
dadamyaham anuttamam.
ददाम्यहमनुत्तमम्.
So how many pashas is giving now? Dharma pasha, Kala pasha, Varunam astram is another pasham. 3 pashams he is giving now. Dharma pasham, Kala pasham, and Varuna's astram. There is another one called Varunam astram, Varunam, which is also a pasha, Varuna pasha. So 3 pashas, 3 rope astras he is giving. Dadamyaham anuttamam. Ashani dve prayachami. Shushkardre Raghunandana. Dadami chastram painakam. Astram narayanam tatha. So I shall give you 2 ashanis. Ashani dve. Ashani is that thunder kind of a thing. Vajrastam. Indra's Vajrastam is a thunderbolt. Similar ones, ashanis. These will go with lightning effects. So that speed and that effect also of electrical voltage based electrical weapon essentially. Ashani dve prayachami. I shall give you 2 ashanis. Shushka ardra. One is a dry one, one is a wet one. One dries up. If you apply that, even if there is water everywhere, or if there is wet everywhere, it will dry it up. The other one is ardra. If it is too dry there, it shall shower with water and make it wet. So shushka ardra, 2 of them, 2 ashanis I shall give you, Raghunandana. Dadamicha astram, I shall also give you painakam, narayanam tatha. He is giving all the astras that he has obtained. So painakam is pinaka. Pinakam is Shiva's bow. And narayanam, which is sharanga, which is Kodandapani. Anyway, that is why he is Kodandapani, right? He holds Narayana astram also, and Narayana dhanam. So painakam, narayanam cha. Those 2 also I shall give you. So how many so far? After 10, 3 pashas, 13, and 2 ashanis, Shushkardra, 15, and 2 dhanuhu, painakam, narayanam cha. How many? 17 so far. Srivatsaji, you had some.
No, it is so difficult for Rama to even remember the number of astras he has now in his ammunition. To use when to use what.
Yeah. No, it will be difficult. See, nothing is given for an uneligible fellow in our Hindu Dharma, right? And that is why when you do tapas, what are you doing? What are you showing especially? You are showing your eligibility. You are demonstrating your eligibility. Hey, I can stand so long. I can remember so much. You express the most challenging feats, right? Only to prove that, hey, I am worthy of this Astra. Please give me them. And only when gods are pleased and convinced that, yes, this fellow is worthy of it, then only they give it. Unfortunately, sometimes they have to follow the rules. And so by rule, even though they know the intent is bad, but by rule of eligibility, he is eligible. He has proved his worth. So you cannot deny him. It is like, you know that this fellow is a very bad, very evil guy. But he is passing, he's writing, answering all the question papers properly for the medical exam. And you cannot fail him. You'll have to pass him, knowing very well that he'll be an evil doctor going forward. So such is the rules that our gods abide by. So, and they very well said, right, in the very big Patra Bhutoste Brahman. They said, he is deserving, he is worthy of all this. So, no doubt, for us, yes, it is tough to even know the names, forget remembering the mantras to apply them.
Very interesting, Bhogaji, I feel for Balas, this fact of this number of ammunition, because we speak about super characters here, what are superheroes and their weaponry, but here we don't know the number of such ammunition that's there in our Itihasa. And for, like you said, for the right cause. It's for the deserving people. It's not for destruction. That's not the goal.
Exactly. Correct. Moreover, that is why we are doing our good task of reading Ramayanam like this. See, otherwise, it will be diluted listening of Ramayanam. And Ramayanam, Valmiki, when he has written so much of detail, that means he wanted all of us to know those details. He didn't want us to read gist or summary of it. So we are doing our Runam. We are, we are getting indebted by reading Valmiki's work, shloka by shloka, and at least trying to remember all these names. That is why I'm saying, Lina, make a table, a grid. If you want, Srivatsa Mama will help you.
Sure.
So, Asani Dve Prayachami, Dadami Chastram Painakam Narayanam Tatha. And then again continuing. Agneyamastram Dayitam.
Agneyamastram Dayitam.
Shikharam Nama Namataha.
Shikharam Nama Namataha.
Vayavyam Prathanam Nama.
Vayavyam Prathanam Nama.
Dadami Cha Tavanagha.
Dadami Cha Tavanagha.
And you remember we said Anagha. Anagha is na agha. Na agham yasya saha anagha. Agham is papam. Papam, sinless. Nishpapa. Nishpapa. So Anagha. Now this Anagha is used in Ramayanam. Same Anagha is used by Krishna when he addresses Arjuna in Bhagavad Gita also. Right?
Yes.
See the continuity of that language. Millions of years difference between Ramayanam and Mahabharatam. Of course, as of today's limited childish, meaning child level, kindergarten level scientific dating knowledge, they have accepted that it is now probably 10,000 years, which means at least 3,000 to 5,000 years before Mahabharatam is Ramayanam, they say. It will take time for them before they realize that it will be millions of years before Bharatam. But that language for millions of years has continued the same language. How what a beauty, what a beauty. How grateful we should be to that language and to the preceptors of that language, and the conveyors of that language to us. So now he's giving two more. Yeah, Shivasaji?
No, I just remember, you said Anaga, I just remembered it. It's in third chapter, I think, Bhagavad Gita. Lokesmin Vivida Nishta Pura Prokta Mayanagha. Mayanagha.
Right. So Anagha. Correct. So, Anagha, I shall give you two more things. One is Agneyam Astram, Dayitam. Dayita is actually Bharya. Bharya means favorite, beloved. So, Dayitam, beloved one of Agni Devata. Shikharam Nama Namataha, by name Shikharam. Shikharam is the name of it. And that Shikharam, which is an Agneyam Astram, I am giving you. Then the next one is Vayavyam. Vayavyam Prathanam Nama. Vayus Astra. By name Prathanam. I am giving you that also. How many so far? 17. Huh? No, 17 plus 2, 19. Right? Yes, Lena? And then goes on. Astram Hayashiro Nama.
Astram Hayashiro Nama.
Krauncham Astram Tathaivacha. Everyone repeat. As I said, by repeating these Astra names, they protect us, they say.
Krauncham Astram Tathaivacha. Krauncham Astram Tathaivacha.
Shakti Dvayam Cha Kakutstha.
Shakti Dvayam Cha Kakustha.
Dadami Tava Raghava.
Dadami Tava Raghava.
So, Raghava, I shall give you Hayashiraha Nama, another Astram. Hayashiraha. Hayashiraha is one which has horse head. Hayagriva also we can take it as. So an Astra of Hayagriva called Hayashiraha. And Krauncham Astram, there is another one called Krauncham. So these are with different head shapes. One is of Haya, the other one is Krauncham. Krauncham is that big bird, we said like a goose. In the very second Adhyaya we read, right? Krauncha Paksham, Krauncha Mithunat Chaiva. Mithunekam. So that Krauncha head, Krauncham Astram Tathaivacha, Shakti Dvayam Cha Kakutsa. And also I'm giving you two other Shaktis. Shaktis are two other spear kind of missiles that you can throw. Shakti Dvayam Cha Kakutsa, Dadami Tava Raghava. So 4 he gave. Hayashiraha, Krauncham, and 2 Shaktis he gave. So 19 plus 4, 23. Sankalam Musalam Ghoram. Sixth. Srivatsaji, you read after the sixth.
Okay.
Kankalam Musalam Ghoram.
Kankalam Musalam Ghoram.
Kapala Matha Kankanam.
Kapala Matha Kankanam.
Dharayantyasura
Dharayantyasura
Dadamyetani Sarvashaha.
Dadamyetani Sarvashaha.
So he's now giving these terrorist based or ones that are used by terrorists. Yani Asuraha Dharayanti. All the devils, Rakshasas, Asuraha, ones that they hold, ones that they bear and apply, such as Kankalam, Musalam, Kapalam, Kankanam. These are the 4 heavy, massive kind of Ghoram Astrani. One is Kankalam, other one is Musalam, third one is Kapalam, fourth one is Kankanam. These are typically generally available. These are probably not licensed ones and unlicensed. So all Rakshasas also keep them. But the other ones have to be licensed by those respective gods. Only when you do tapas and you prove yourself before them, then they give you the license to apply those ammunitions. So Kankalam, Musalam, Kapalam, Kankanam. These are the 4 which are used by Asuraha. Dadami Etani Sarvashaha. These are also I am giving you by all means. Vaidyadharam Mahastrancha.
Vaidyadharam Mahastramcha.
Nandanam Nama Namataha.
Nandanam nama namatah
Asi Ratnam Mahabaho
Asiratnam Mahabaho
Dadami Nruvaratmaja.
Dadami Nruvaratmaja.
No redundancy, no repetition, as much as possible. Previously, Nrupatmaja. Now, Nruvaratmaja. Kavi, by name, Kavi means it is about creativity. Kavi is of creativity. So constantly apply, find one more word, one more word, one more synonym, one more synonym. Nruvaratmaja, son of the best of the men, which means son of the king. Nruvaratmaja, Asiratnam, Mahabaho, because you have strong hands, strong arms. Mahabaho, Asiratnam, Asi is sword. Ratnam, best of the Asi, best of the sword. Of Vidyadharaha. The one of Vidyadharas is called Vaidyadharam. Vaidyadharam Mahastram, the best of the Vidyadharas, Mahastram. Nandanam Nama Namataha, by name Nandanam. Nandanam is the name, which is an Asiratnam. Nandanam. Nandaki is the name. The sword of the name, sword of the Vishnu is called Nandaki, right? The sword. Modaki is the name of his Gada. In Vishnu Sahasranama also the last, one of the last few shlokas comes, right? Where Manamali, Gadi, Sharngi, Shanki, Chakri, Chanandaki, right? But Nandaki is this word there.
Vaidyadhara
Kaumodaki.
तद्धित प्रत्यय वा वैद्याधर
एते सर्वे एते सर्वाणि एते सर्वे तद्धित प्रत्ययाः एव विद्याधरस्य इदं वैद्याधरं तथैव अन्यं च आसीत् खलु अत्र अग्नेः इदम् आग्नेयं वायोः इदं वायव्यं वरुणस्य इदं वारुणम्
अस्तु अस्तु
एते सर्वे तथित प्रत्यय तथितान्ताः एव so Asiratnam, how many now? 30 so far. See, was it 30 or I'm guessing 30?
Yeah.
Gandharvamastram dayitam.
Gandharvamastram dayitam. Manavam nama namatah.
Praswapana prashamane.
Praswapana prashamane.
Dadmi sauram cha raghava.
Dadmi sauram cha raghava.
Raghava, I'm giving you two more. One is Gandharvam. So of Vidyadharas, they gave by name Nandanam. And now of Gandharvas, Dayitam, the best, the beloved of Gandharvas, Astram, Manavam Nama Namataha. The name is called Manavam. Every Astra name is Manavam. Like they said, human bomb. That's on a joke kind of a thing. But the name is called Manava, which is Astra of, beloved Astra of Gandharvas. So Gandharvam Astram Dayitam Manavam Nama Namataha. I shall give that. The other one is Sauram, a solar energy, a solar ammunition. What does this do? Praswapana Prashamane. It can do both things. Praswapanam. Swapanam is sleep or dream state. Right? Swapna is Swapanam. One that gets you into dream state. Is typically sleep or unconscious. Praswapanam. So this one will get you, will make you, what is it called? It's like the sleeping pill. It will get you, it will make you fall asleep. Prashamane also. It is also, if you are tired or if you are very hurt, painful and all, then it will give you prashamanam. Prashamanam is, again, this will be in one of the, most of these stotrams, In the last Phalashruti slokas, it will say Prashamanam Chaiva. It will say Prashamanam is essentially relief in a way. English equivalent word is relief. So it will get you relief and get you into sleep. So if it has to be applied for your good, it will give you Prashamanam.
I think you are probably referring to Durga Saptashti, the slokas, Sarvabhada Prashamanam, Trailokya Akileshware, Tvayakare Masvatvairi Vinashanam.
Correct. Sarva Dukha Prashamanam.
Sarvabhada
Release
Prashamanam.
from all. Sarva Papa Prashamanam. Sarva Badha Prashamanam. Sarva Badha Prashamanam. From all pains, relief from all pains. So Prashamanam. Praswapanam, Prashamanam cha. It will make you sleep and give you relief from all pains. So two such ones. So these two can be used for benefit of your own people. When your army is hurt, then you can apply it so that they get relief from those aches and pains, wounds of the war. So Gandharvam Manavam Namastram and Sauramastram, which will give you both sleep as well as relief from pains. Prashamanam. Darpanam Soshanam Chaiva.
Darpanam Shoshanam Chaiva.
Santapana Vilapane.
Santapana Vilapane.
Madanam Chaiva Durdharsham.
Madanam Chaiva Durdharsham.
Kandarpadaitam Tatha.
Kandarpadaitam Tatha.
Now I lost track of count. If anyone is counting. Darpanam Soshanam Chaiva. Those are the other two astras. Darpanam Soshanam Chaiva. Santapana Vilapane. So these two can be applied in these two. So these are, when we say astram, not every astram is to kill somebody. Astram is a mantra-based act or mantra-based application. Mantra-based application, which can be used for any purposes. Some of them are for the purpose of killing. Some of them are for the purpose of relief. Right? So these astras, starting from Sauram, these are for relief. Praswapanam, Prashamanam was Saura's purposes. Now, Darpanam, Soshanam, these two are for Santapana, Vilapane. When you have to, so these two are again more on the offensive side. Santapanam. So when you apply, let us say Darpanam, what happens typically? In our childhood, again, Leena and all would not know, but most of us adults who played in India, we remember. We used to buy that magnifier lens and focus it on paper and burn the paper. Anyone remember that? Playing that in India?
Yeah.
Right?
We used to do it. We used to do it even on people's hands just so that they feel the heat, right? So you want to play it, you put it and then.
Right. So Darpanam is used for Soshanam. Soshanam is drying up or heating up. Sushta karoti, Soshayati. Soshayati, na Soshayati Marutaha. Right? So Soshanam, to dry up. When it gets dried up, typically it becomes hot, heated up. So Darpana is used for that Soshanam. Darpana is used for Santapanam. Tapa is heat. Santapa is too much of heat, by which you burn things, essentially. So with mirror, if you reflect it properly, it's going to generate a lot of heat-oriented light, very hot light. So that is for Darpanam. And the Soshanam is for Vilapanam. Vilapanam is to put to cry or to put to trouble, essentially. So Soshanam is for drying up so that you Vilapanam, where people will start crying or they dry up. When everything dries up, you need water, daham, right? So that is Soshanam. So Darpanam, Soshanam, which are used for Santapana and Vilapana, those two. And then finally, Madanam is the other one, other astram, which is Kandarpadayita, Kandarpa, which is Madaneva, Manmatha, Kandarpa. Kandarpa's astram, which is Durdharsham, which you cannot resist, which cannot be fought against. Durdharsham Kandarpadayitam Madanam. Madan is the other astram given there. We are still nine. I thought by now we'll be done because it is only reading the names, I thought. Okay. Paishachamastram Daitam.
Paishachamastram Daitam.
Mohanam Nama Namataha.
Mohanam Nama Namataha.
Praticha Narashardula.
Praticha Narashardula.
Rajaputra Mahayashaha.
Rajaputra Mahayashaha.
O Rajaputra, O Mahayashaha, O Narashardula, Praticha. I'm giving, please receive it. What is it? Paishacham, of the Pishachas. Nastram of Pishachas, favorite of Daitam, favorite of Pishachas. By name Mohanam, very surprising. I don't know how Pishachas have an astra by name, such a good name called Mohanam. Maybe Pishachas mesmerize you, right? So Mohanam is the name there. Mohanam is the other astra there. So please take that. Tamasam Narashardula.
Anybody else wants to say?
Go ahead, Srivastava. We are running out of time, so somebody has to quickly catch.
Tamasam Narashardula.
Saumanam cha maha.
Saumanam cha mahaba.
No, Mahaba is wrong, right? Let me see. The typo there. No, which is the sloka 16. Saumanam cha mahabala. La is missing there. Saumanam cha mahabala.
Saumanam cha mahabala.
Samvartam chaiva durdharsham.
Samvartam chaiva durdarsham.
Mausalam nama namataha.
Mausalam nama namataha.
So some more astras. Tamasam, which gives you that lethargy or non-moving potential energy. Tamasam, Saumanam cha Mahabala. Oh, Mahabala, Narashardula. I'm giving you Tamasa and Saumanam. Saumanam is friendliness. Sumanasaha. And Samvartam Chaiva Durdharsham. Again, very irresistible. Another astram called Samvartam. Mausalam. Previously there was Musalam. And it is said by saying Cha here, Mausalam is different. They say Musalam, Musalat, Mausalam, Anyat. In the Bhashyam they have clearly mentioned. Don't get mistaken. That Musalam and Mausalam are same. No, these are two different things. So Mausalam is another one. Mausalam namanamataha durdharsham samvartam dadami. And Satyam astram mahabaho.
Satyam astram mahabaho.
Tatha mayadharam param.
Tatha mayadharam param.
Ghoram tejah prabham nama.
Ghoram tejah prabham nama.
Paratejopakarshanam.
Paratejopakarshanam.
So Satyam is another astram that I am giving you. Mahabaho. Tatha Mayadharam Param. There is another one called Mayadharam. And Ghoram Tejaha Prabham Nama. Tejah Prabham is the name. Another Ghoram, very horrific one called Tejah Prabham. What does it do? Paratejaha Apakarshanam. One which steals others' Teja. So that is Paratejaha. Tejah Prabha. Tejah Prabha is another astram that I am giving you. which shall steal others' teja. That is the other one. Saumyastram shishiram nama.
Saumyastram shishiram nama.
Tvashtramastam sukamadam.
Tvashtramastam sukhamadam.
Darunam cha bhagasyapi.
Dharunam cha bhagasyapi.
Titeshu mathamanavam.
Shiteshu mathamanavam.
So Saumyam Astram Shishiram Nama. Saumya's Astram called Shishira. And Tvashtram Astram Sukamadam. The next one is by name Sukamada, which is the Astra of Tvashtra. Tvashtra is another name of Vishnu, right? Vishnu Sasnama. Tvashtra also comes. Tvashtra is more of Tvashta. Tvashta is carpentry related work. So it's a wooden astram, I guess. So Tvashtram is a Tvashtra's astram by name Sukamada. So Shishiram, Sukamada, and Darunam cha Bhagasyapi Siteshum. Bhagaha. Darunam Bhaga. Bhaga is power, powerful. Bhagavan is Bhagaha Yasya Asti Saha Bhagavan. Shad Bhagaha. They say 6 Bhagaha should be there to be called Bhagavan. So Bhagasya Darunam Siteshum Manavam Dadami. So very powerful, Darunam powerful Sita issue. It's a cold arrow by name Manavam. So this is also Manavam. The Gandharva Sastram is also Manavam. But this is a cold arrow that is of the Gandharvas by name Manava. So that is the list. Etan Rama Mahabaho.
Etan Rama Mahabaho.
Kamarupan Mahabalan.
Kamarupan Mahabalan.
Grihana Paramodaran.
Grihana Paramodaharan.
Kshipramevan Rupatmaja.
Kshipramevan Rupatmaja.
So he's now having listed all the astras that he is going to give to Rama. He's now saying, Etan Kamarupan Mahabalan Mahabaho Rama Paramodaran Shiprameva Grihana Nrupatmaja Mahabaho, he's saying. So Shiprameva, immediately, just take it immediately, take it Rama. All these Kamarupan, they can be instructed and sort of misleading the others, misleading the foe, the enemies. So that is Kamarupa, Mahabala, very powerful astras. Take them immediately, Rama. Titastu prangmukho bhutva.
Titastu prangmukho bhutva.
Shuchirmunivarastada.
Shuchirmunivarastada.
Dadau Ramaya Suprito.
Dadau Ramaya Suprito.
Mantragrama Manuttamam.
Mantragrama Manuttamam.
So far, he said, I am going to give. Now he is doing it through Kriya, through Karma. Sthitaha, standing, stood. By having stood, Prangmukhaha, facing the east. Suchir Bhutva, by taking the bath and Achamanam, etc. Suchir Bhutva. Munivaraha tada, then the Munivara, Vishwamitraha, Ramaya Asupritaha, very pleased, very pleasant, very happily pleased, Supritaha, Ramaya, unto Rama, Mantragramam Anuttamam, Anuttamam, the best, ultimate, best of Mantragramam, a village of mantras, which means by a huge list of mantras. Because each astra requires a different mantra to be applied. So he gave the Upadesha to Rama of all these mantras to apply for each astram. So it is a mantra gramam, a collection of mantras Ramaya dadau. Sarvasangrahanam yesham
सर्वसंग्रहणं येषां
Daivatairapi durlabham
दैवतैरपि दुर्लभं
Tanyastrani tada vipro
तान्यस्त्राणि तदा विप्रो
Raghavayanya
राघवाय न्यवेधयत्.
So, Sarva Sangrahanam, accumulation or collection of all these astras, Yesham, by whom, Daivatairapi Durlabham, even by gods, it is unachievable. Why? Agni has his Agneyastram, Vayu has his Vayavyastram, Indra has his Vajra, Shiva has Shula, Mahashiva has Pinakam, Narayana has Narayanam. But together, no one has all of these. Right? And that is what is being said here as Daivatairapi Durlabham, Sarva Sangrahanam. To get all of them in one shot together by one person, even for gods, it is very difficult. Tani astrani, such big collection of all these astras, tada, then Vipraha, the Vishesha Prajnavan Vipraha, Vishwamitraha, Raghavaya Nyavedayat. He has offered all of them. Nivedanam Kritavan, iti Nivedayat. Raghavaya Nyavedayat. Japatastu munestasya
जपतस्तु मुनेस्तस्य
Vishwamitrasya dhimataha
विश्वामित्रस्य धीमतः
Upatasthurmaharhani
उपतस्थुर्महार्हाणि
Sarvanyastrani Raghavam.
सर्वाण्यस्त्राणि राघवम्.
So Japataha Raghavam Vishwamitrasya Dhimataha Vishwamitrasya Munehe Tasya Sarvani Astrani Maharhani Upatasthuhu. That is how the sentence comes. So when Vishwamitra gave this Upadesham in the previous sloka, right? Tani Astrani Vipraha Raghavaya Nyavedayat. And along with Samantra, Mantra Gramam, when he gave Mantra Gramam, Anutvam, Supeta, Ramaya Dadau, then Rama, what does he do? Does he, all right, sir, does he write it on a book and go? No, there is no book and all right. You listen and you have to do Mananam. Mananat Prayateti Mantraha. So he started doing Japa of those mantras. Rama started Japam of those mantras. So Japataha, unto that Rama who has been doing the japa of Rama of these mantras, Japataha Raghavam Maharhani, very high worthy, Sarvani Astrani, very highly worthy astras, all of them. Vishwamitrasya Dhimataha Munehe Tasya Dhimataha Munehe Vishwamitrasya Maharhani Sarvani Astrani Japataha Raghavam Upatasthuhu. So all these astras were of Vishwamitra because he has already obtained all of them in the past. Of Vishwamitra's, all these high, great, worthy astras, powerful astras, all of them have stood Upatasthuhu. They have stood in front of Rama who has been doing the japa of those mantras. So when you do this japam of those mantras, all those astras come and they stand in obedience. They stand with humbly for you. They stand up for you. Uchushcha mudita sarve.
ऊचुश्च मुदिताः सर्वे
Ramam pranjalayastada.
रामं प्राञ्जलयस्तदा
इमे स्म परमोदाराः
इमे स्म परमोदाराः
किङ्करास्तव राघव.
किङ्करास्तव राघव.
This part is in direct speech, so I didn't chant it, I said it. So, Uchuhu, they said, Sarve, all those astras, they said, Muditaha, very pleased, happily. Oh, good. We are passing on from Vishwamitra onto another divine personality. They are happy. We are happy that we are in good hands. Oh, we are happy that we are in good hands. That's the point. So they are happy. Muditaha sarve pranjalayaha, with pranjalihi, bahuvachanam pranjalayaha. All of them with pranjali, they have said the following. What did they say? Ime paramodaraha sma. We have been very magnanimous, very liberal, or very what do you say, magnanimous. Yeah. Parama udaraha ime sma kinkaraha tava raghava. Now we are going to be your servants. We are going to be your servants. Kinkaraha tava raghava. O Raghava, we are going to be your servants. You may apply us any time to task. Pratigrihya cha kakutsah.
प्रतिगृह्य च काकुत्स्थः
Samalabhya cha panina.
समालभ्य च पाणिना
Manasame bhavishyadvam.
मानसा मे भविष्यध्वम्
Iti tanyabhyachodayat.
इति तानभ्यचोदयत्
Titanabhyachodayat. Iti tanabhyachodayat. Kshimata. So Pratigrihya, now he has received all those astras because they have themselves offered them to Rama. So he has received them. Kakutsaha Pratigrihya Panina cha Samalabhya, by hand also, by receiving all of them. And he said unto them, Tan Abhyachodayat, Prachodayat, likewise Prachodayat, likewise Abhi Achodayat, Abhyachodayat. He has sort of motivated them, or he has inspired them. Manasa me bhavishyadvam. All of you be in my heart. Manasa, be in my mind. Manasa me bhavishyadvam. All of you become mindful, or all of you become in me, stay in me. Manasa me bhavishyadvam. Iti tan abhyachodayat. He has inspired them. Tatah pritamana ramo.
ततः प्रीतमना रामो
Vishwamitram mahamunim.
विश्वामित्रं महामुनिम्
Abhivadya mahatejaha.
अभिवाद्य महातेजाः
Gamanayopachackrame.
गमनायोपचक्रमे.
So Tataha, after that, now he has absorbed all of those astras with mantras and inspired them to be inside him. And whenever required, with just that mantra, that specific astra will come outside of him and apply, go fight or go work on the target. So having done that task, Tataha, then Pritamanaha Ramaha, with a very pleasant heart, Ramaha said the following unto Vishwamitra. Mahamunim Vishwamitram Abhivadya, Abhivadanam Kritva, Mahatejaha Gamanaya Upachakrame, did the Abhivadanam. And now, yes, as you said, Shvah Prabhate Gamishyamaha Tadashrama Padam Mama, you said, right, in the previous chapter. So, yes, sir, now I am ready. Let's move on to your ashrama. That's what he's saying. Abhivadya Mahatejaha Gamanaya, for travel, Upachakrame, he prepared. He is ready to start. his journey further. इत्यार्षे
श्रीमद् रामायणे वाल्मीकीये आदिकाव्ये बालकांडे
सप्तविंशः सर्गः। जय श्री राम।
जय श्री राम।
Anybody शांति मंत्रम? You only say it.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः।
जय श्री राम।
जय श्री राम।
जय